is YouTube University's Automotive Locksmith course, Introduction to TR47 keyway, Lesson 10B, generating 4D67 chips using the Autel's KM100. So in this video, you're going to see me generate 4D67 Toyota chips with using the KM100. I will be using AT100 chips or 4D60 OEM chips in this video. But before that, a word from our sponsors, me. Hey guys, it's the Locksmith. To anyone interested in trade, thinking about a possible career change, or stuck in a dead-end job like I was, I've been there, and automotive locksmithing gave me a real path forward. That's why I built this course to give you a simple, affordable, and organized way to get started, even if you know absolutely nothing. If you've been thinking about getting into trade, check out the course area in my members only area. There are membership tier Locksmith Academy on my YouTube channel, and start learning the fundamentals today. And here's how to join. See you there. I have a 4D60 OEM chip. I'm going to show you. Let's start by reading. Yeah, it's a 4D60 chip, as you can see. Sorry, I should have zoomed in a little more, but yeah. Now I'll show you generate transponder function. Transponder generation. ID 40 bits. Folder Toyota. The first one, 67. Perfect. Now let me show you that I successfully generated. All the way back to the main menu. Let's read it. Okay. Success. A 4D67 chip using an OEM chip and the KM100. I want to give you my final thoughts of this machine. I have an AT100 chip, and a quick version of what we did. You know, transponder function, transponder generation, Toyota. Oops, wrong one. Oops, oh, I went Suzuki Toyota. And then when these positions, 32. Completed. Successfully generated. So you can use this function with the AT100 chips or OEM chips. I haven't really used the AT100 chips too much. I've only used it like once for a job. But yeah, I mean, they're okay. And then I have the other locksmiths I know I've used, like, mostly because this other locksmith I know, he uses the KM100. It's one of his favorite key programmers. You know, he paid some money to have it unlocked and all this stuff. But it's one of his favorite key programmers, and he just carries these instead of the super chips because he just uses these regularly. So, you know, it's a good alternative if you don't want to use super chips, or like if you use this more than the Key to Max Pro. I like the Key to Max Pro better. I use that more often than not. But if you use the KM100 a lot, you can shift over or just have both on hand. I just primarily just stick to the super chips or OEM chips. That's just me. Each to their own. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something. Beginner Locksmith signing off.